Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV27. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV27 isn't lasting long, it's likely due to a worn-out battery. This is a common issue as batteries degrade over time, especially with frequent use. If left unaddressed, your vacuum may eventually stop functioning altogether, leaving you with a device that can no longer clean effectively. To carry out this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery compatible with the Dyson SV27. Start by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged and turned off. Place it on a flat surface, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. Carefully lift off the cover to expose the internal components. You're looking for the battery, which is usually situated near the bottom of the vacuum. To remove it, gently disconnect the wires attached to the battery. Take care not to pull too hard, as this may damage nearby components. Once the wires are disconnected, unscrew the battery from its mount using the Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep track of the screws as you'll need them for reassembly. Take your new battery and fit it into the mount, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires carefully, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the cover by aligning it with the body and securing it with the screws. Before you plug it in, take a moment to check that all components are properly fitted and there are no loose screws. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV27 and turn it on to ensure it's functioning correctly. If everything is in order, your vacuum should now hold a charge and run smoothly once again. To prevent this issue from recurring in the future, make sure to store your Dyson in a cool, dry place and avoid letting the battery fully discharge on a regular basis. Regular maintenance and proper storage can greatly extend the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.